Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I would like to talk to you about 3 penny stocks that caught my attention, and I think they can go up quite a bit. But before we dive in, I would ask you to drop a like, leave a comment, maybe consider subscribing. That will help the channel to grow. Also, please keep in mind that this video is for entertainment purposes only, so please do your own research. Penny stocks are considered a high risk and high reward trade, so you can grow a lot, but you can also lose a bunch of money investing in the penny stocks, so please be careful. So the first company I would like to talk to you today is Solar Integrated Roofing Corp, ticker SIRC. So those guys went up 56% today, and for the past 5 days, these guys went up 290%. You can also look at the 1 month chart and you can see that they went up 766%. So they've been on steady growth. One thing I would like to mention is that they actually had a small correction throughout the day. So I think that is very good. And that means the market already took some of the gains and this stock will probably going to go up. So what this company does, they provide installation of solar panels and roofing for commercial and residential properties all around the United States. But in the good news, why these guys went up so significant is that Solar Integrated Roofing Corp announced on February 3rd the official commencement of operations of its new dedicated EV charging solution division. And as you know, the EV market grows really fast in the United States and around the globe, but in particular United States. And this market is forecasted to be $39 billion by 2027. Solar Integrated Roofing Corp is growing aggressively by acquisition, and it's currently exploring the potential takeover of several EV charger installers nationwide as it recommits to solar and other clean energy sectors. So these guys are doing pretty well, and they already thinking about acquiring other installers nationwide for the EV chargers. So because that's a good market and it's going to be steadily growing for the next few years, I think this might be a good investment. Also on the stock tweets, we can see that message volume went up 56%. So that says to me that this stock gains more and more attention. And because a lot of guys are bullish on this stock, I think it might be pushed up quite a bit. Next company I would like to talk to you about is Aurora Solar Technologies Inc., ticker AACTF. You can see it right here. So these guys went up 17% today. Starting Monday, they went up 46%, and you can see throughout the month they had quite a journey. But if you look at the 6 months, they are on steady growth and they went up 230% for the past 6 months. So what these guys do, instead of building EV chargers or installing solar roofs or anything like that, so they actually provide a solution to create solar batteries. So the company measures and maps the results of critical cell fabrication process, as well as provides real-time visualization of material properties, cell parameters, and production tool performance. So these guys create software and hardware solutions to create your own solar batteries and tweak your current production so you can get the better results. So if we look back at the chart, we can see that for the past month they're going up and down, and they hit the new low last week when we had the big sell-off on the market. And looking at the 6 month chart, we can see that they had a dip right here. So considering their steady growth, we could make an imaginary line going up. So I'd say they can go up anywhere 10 to 15% more before they're going to have another correction. Please also consider that Aurora Solar Technologies only have a $32 million market cap, so any significant investments from traders around the world can push up the stock price quite a bit. And I can also see that this company is getting noticed on the stock tweets, and it's pretty bullish. You can see the message volume went up 300% just within a day. So I think it's starting to get a lot of attention from different people, from different traders. So this stock can shoot up significantly, in my opinion. The last company I would like to talk to you about is Social Life Networks Inc., ticker Wdlf. So these guys are technology business incubator that provides tech startups with seed technology development, legal guidance, executive leadership, and make it easier for startup founders to focus on raising capital. These guys been on the market for a few years. They started on January 13th. The way they make money is that they have a 5 fee from the profit of license generated from the networks, And also they get 15% stake in their company when they reach the liquidity level. So as of fourth quarter of 2020, Social Life have 7 licenses. So that means 7 different companies went up with their help. And they also mentioned that of which 3 are in process of public offerings of NASDAQ and New York stock trade. Let's also go to their press releases. So that's a very helpful page, because what we can see is their companies that they currently help to grow the business is mymjlink.com. So they announced 5 million private placements and 50 million regular offerings. That means one of their companies is growing. They have another huntpost.com launches new e-market mobile app for shoppers. That means this company is doing very well. Hemp Talk also gets a new mobile app. MJ Invest gets a mobile app. That means the companies they help to grow actually growing, and they developing and they getting better sales. And because Social Life has 15% stake in those companies, all the growth from those companies generate income for Social Life. And also 5% of all the sales of those companies also go to the Social Life. So the more clients they have, the better stocks are going to perform. Another thing I would like to mention is on the past 3 months, we can see that the stock was trading quite low, and then it went up in the beginning of January. And then it corrected significantly, went down, was trading sideways. Then again, in the end of January, they went up, did a nice correction, and now going up again. So I think that we can see the new highs pretty soon. So we can also see that on stock tweets, the message volume went up 74% today. So a lot of traders are talking about this. But I have to say that this company has bullish/bearish comments. So there is quite a chance that they will have a correction today, but I have a feeling that they're gonna go up pretty significant as well. Once again, guys, I would like to remind you that those penny stocks are high risk, high reward trades. So please be cautious and do your own research. And this is it for me, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you heard, please drop a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. There's also a link down in the description for the Patreon, where I post daily my sales and buys of the day, and also the call options I do. If you feel like supporting the channel, go ahead, subscribe. You'll also get access to the Discord, where I talk about the stocks with my subscribers. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great trading day.